Hi everybody, Cherish the Messy Painter here, and as you can see, I do not have a canvas. Instead, I have wrapping paper. It is very special wrapping paper. It is 50 years old. It is older than me. It is actually from my uncle's job back in the 70s, and this roll was much bigger. As you can see, that's how much is left now. I remember it being really big, bigger than me as a kid. It was in the basement of my grandparents' house, and I remember for years there were so many presents wrapped under the tree with this paper. And it's just something that I see and I immediately think of those awesome Christmases as a kid. So I thought, before it's gone, which we now use it as table runners for Christmas and lots of other fun stuff, I figured that before it's gone, I want to give each person in my family a piece of it. So I have decided to cut out the wreaths here and decoupage them onto disc ornaments. So that way each person will always have a piece of it with them in their family, in their house for Christmas. I traced the ornament and cut them out already. So all I had to do was trace each one and cut them out. So this is what I have here, and I'm going to decoupage them, and then I'm going to add some gold paint around the edge just to make it pretty. And I thought this would be a fun project just to show what you can do with wrapping paper. But really, this is for my family. I wanted them to see the process of me doing this for them, and each of them getting a piece of this to take home to their house and have forever before it's gone. Although I have to tell you, there's a lot left. My grandmother is 94 years old, so I'm definitely happy to repurpose this and give her a piece of this. So stick with me where I'm going to start this right now. Okay, so I've cut out a whole bunch of these, but I went ahead and I also cut out this for the back. I just feel like the pattern, it's not complete without the ribbons that came down too. So I decided that I'm going to put this on the front and have this on the back. I mean, as you can see, it's actually yellowing a little bit right there, and I want that. I want to keep that in there. I want to show the age. So I have only used Mod Podge twice, so this is my third time ever. If you look at the front of this one, can you see how patinaed and I'm calling it patina, but how aged and yellow it is right there? I love that. So everything is dry, and now I am just adding a little bit of gold edging to both sides. I just thought it gave it this really nice, cool, antique look a little bit. I'm just going along the edge. I am actually using one of my favorite golds. This is 24 karat gold by Deco Art. And all I did was just put it in a lid. I'm using my brush and just sponging it along the edge. Believe it or not, this is the part that is taking the longest out of the entire project. But I really like the look, so I'm gonna do it to all of them. Okay, now that I'm done doing the gold edge on all of them, and they are dry, I am going to add a ribbon and a little saying right here. And here's the ribbon. I thought about tying a bow, which I still might do. We'll see if I can get the bow right. So here's what I wrote for each one of my family members. It says, "The love in our family grows strong and deep leaving special moments to treasure and keep. So I'm going to just string this up. And there you go. It is done. And I will do the rest of these and give them to my family this Christmas. I really hope you like this project. I hope my family likes this project. I really enjoyed doing this. I am very lucky to have such an awesome family. And I hope everybody has a really great Christmas and a great holiday season. And I will see you all again in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you